OnePlus, a Chinese smartphone manufacturer, has garnered a cult-like following over the years. Renowned for its high-quality and affordable devices, their annual event, OnePlus Open, is a highly anticipated gathering, showcasing their latest innovations and offering a glimpse into the future of OnePlus. In this video, we will delve into the untold secrets of OnePlus Open, uncovering the hidden stories behind the event and exploring its significance for the OnePlus community. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informational videos like this, and be sure to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's get started. 1. A celebration of innovation and community. OnePlus Open transcends a mere product launch event. It's a celebration of innovation and the OnePlus community. The event brings together tech enthusiasts, OnePlus fans, and industry experts to experience the latest advancements in smartphone technology and engage with the company's leadership. 2. Unveiling the future of OnePlus. OnePlus Open serves as a platform for the company to unveil its latest products and technologies, providing a glimpse into the future of OnePlus. From groundbreaking smartphone designs to innovative software features, OnePlus Open showcases the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation. 3. A glimpse into OnePlus's design philosophy. OnePlus Open offers a behind-the-scenes look at OnePlus's design philosophy, revealing the intricate details and creative processes that go into crafting its smartphones. From material selection to color choices, the event provides insights into the company's meticulous approach to design. 4. A forum for community engagement. OnePlus Open is a forum for community engagement, allowing OnePlus fans to connect with the company's leadership, share their feedback, and participate in interactive activities. The event fosters a sense of camaraderie and provides a platform for the community to voice their opinions and shape the future of OnePlus. 5. A commitment to transparency and openness. OnePlus Open reflects the company's commitment to transparency and openness. The event provides an opportunity for the company to share its vision, address community concerns, and engage in open dialogue with its supporters. 6. A gateway to exclusive experiences. OnePlus Open offers exclusive experiences for attendees, including hands-on demos of upcoming products, opportunities to interact with OnePlus executives, and access to limited edition merchandise. These exclusive experiences create a sense of belonging and reward for loyal OnePlus fans. 7. A symbol of OnePlus's aspirations. OnePlus Open serves as a symbol of the company's aspirations, showcasing its ambition to become a leading global smartphone brand. The event demonstrates OnePlus's commitment to innovation, community engagement, and transparency, setting a high standard for the industry. Thanks for watching this review. I hope this video is informational and helpful for you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like it and also click on the subscribe button so you won't miss out on our next video. For the time being, goodbye.